Hey there! On this episode of Recreate It, we are going to be tackling fridge organization. Now, this fridge organization comes from a company called iDesign, and they make all of these products. So I'm going to help you recreate this look in your refrigerator. So what I love about refrigerator organization is that it really helps you figure out what you have so you're not wasting your food. And by grouping items together and removing them from their packaging, you are going to be able to use that food much more than if you just pile the packages of food on top of each other. So to recreate this refrigerator in your refrigerator, first thing you have to do is either use glass Tupperware or these refrigerator items from iDesign. Now, the reason why you use the glass or these refrigerator products is so that you can easily see what you have in your refrigerator. Now, in this image, they have done all of their meal prep beforehand. And I know not everyone does that. So if you are able to, then do all your meal prep beforehand and then store all of your food already cut up into your glass Tupperware or into the iDesign refrigerator items. In this refrigerator, they are using the doors to store drinks. And then on the shelves, they are using that for storage of their food. So the bottom drawer looks like it is storing all of the oils and condiments on a turntable or Lazy Susan. It also appears that they're using items in bins to store leftovers. And that, I think, is a great spot. I always like to keep leftovers at eye level. That way, you always see them every time you open up the refrigerator as a reminder to eat them before they go bad. The middle shelf looks like it is all salad prep items. There are 2 different bins for 2 different types of lettuce, along with all of the veggies that are already cut up. That, I think, is a great idea if you're able to meal prep, and then you can store all of the items together on one shelf. The remaining shelves look like they are for fruits and veggies and eggs. And there are tons of products that you can get to help store all of your items if you are looking to get this look. Now, some things to note that if you are wanting an orderly refrigerator, here are some of my professional tips. The first thing is to use your shelves like you would your pantry. So categorize them. Also, use your drawers like you'd use your pantry as well. Categorize, categorize, categorize. The reason why is when you store your items in the drawers or on the shelves, you're not just shoving everything in there so things get lost in the back. You are creating a designated spot for said items. Like in this image, you have all of your leftovers together in a bin so that you can easily find them and use them again. So if you want to create order in your fridge, store all of your leftovers together on a shelf. That way you can find them, use them, eat them up, and you're not wasting as much food as if you were if everything was just kind of like hodgepodge in your fridge. Also, to maintain this look, you will have to do meal prep because it is a look. So if that isn't totally what you want to go for, that is totally fine. If you like having everything clean and open and organizing your refrigerator as such, then what I recommend is that you give each shelf a designated purpose. So all leftovers go on one shelf. You could also do like leftovers and your condiments on one shelf. All of your produce goes together. All of your meats and deli items go together. Breads go together. Group items together. And then if you want to use a storage container in your refrigerator, if you think that will help you, do it. If you don't think that'll help you, there are other products that can work to maintain order in your refrigerator. Like if you have a deep enough refrigerator, using a Lazy Susan or turntable in your refrigerator will easily help. Also, if you don't have a lot of drawer space in your refrigerator, there are products that can help create drawers by sticking them on the shelf. They are so cool. I've linked them below. So now it is your turn to recreate this look in your refrigerator. Make sure that you have glass Tupperware or the iDesign products that I link below. Group all of your items together based on type. Use a Lazy Susan or turntable to hold your condiments. Store drinks on the door. And remember, group everything by category on their designated shelf. This will help eliminate the food waste. I'll see you next time.